In this video, you'll learn how to conduct online exams using Google Forms. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create an exam form, configure settings, and distribute it to your students efficiently. Begin by navigating to Google Forms. You can do this by typing "Forms Not New" into your browser's address bar. This action will take you directly to a new form creation page, allowing you to start your exam setup. Once you are on the Google Forms interface, locate the option labeled Blank Form and click on it. If you want to set up your exam with grading options immediately, you can choose Blank Quiz instead. Selecting either option will open a new untitled form where you can start adding your exam details. Next, provide your exam with a clear and professional title in the designated title field. For example, you might label it as Midterm Biology Exam. In the section labeled Form Description, include any necessary instructions for your students that will guide them through the exam process. To ensure your exam is secure and functions correctly, you will need to configure essential settings. Click on the Settings tab located at the top of your screen. This tab houses various options that will help you customize the exam experience for your students. Within the Settings menu, find the option labeled Make This a Quiz and toggle this feature on. Activating this setting will reveal additional options related to grading and point configurations, which are crucial for evaluating student performance during the exam. Next, focus on the release marks setting. Here, you have the choice to select immediately after each submission if your exam consists solely of objective questions. Alternatively, if your exam includes essay or descriptive questions that require manual grading, select Later after manual review. This decision is important for managing how and when students receive their scores. To protect the integrity of the responses, expand the Responses drop-down. Enable the option to collect email addresses to ensure you can identify each student. Additionally, toggle the Limit to One Response feature so that each student can only submit the exam once, preventing multiple attempts. Next, navigate to the Presentation drop-down. Here, you should check the option labeled Shuffle Question Order. This feature helps to reduce the likelihood of cheating, especially in situations where students may be sitting in close proximity to one another. Now, return to the Questions tab to begin adding fields for student identification. The first questions should focus on collecting essential student details. Click the plus Add Question floating button located on the right side of the screen to create a new question. Set the question type to short answer for collecting student names. Label this question as Enter Full Name and make sure to turn the required switch O on. This ensures that students cannot skip this question. Create another short answer question labeled Student Roll ID Number and also mark it as required. This will help you keep track of which student has submitted which exam, ensuring accurate record keeping. Now you can begin building your exam questions. For objective questions, select the multiple choice or check boxes. Write out your question and fill in the available choices. After this, click the Answer key button at the bottom of the question. Select the correct answer option, define the point value, and click Done to save your settings. For descriptive responses, select the paragraph question type. Since these types of questions require manual grading, you can still assign point values in the answer key, but you will need to input the scores later during your evaluation process. If your exam requires students to submit complex mathematical steps or hand-drawn diagrams, choose the File Upload question type. This option allows students to scan or photograph their work and upload it directly to your connected Google Drive folder, making it easy for you to access their submissions. Before you finalize your exam, it is advisable to preview the form. Click the eye icon preview located at the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to walk through the form as a student would, ensuring that all logic, point breakdowns, and mandatory fields function correctly. When you are ready to distribute the exam, you can either input direct email addresses or click the link icon to copy a shortened web link. This link can be shared through your virtual classroom platform, email chains, or communication groups, making it easy for students to access the exam. If you would like to try Google Forms for yourself, I have placed a link in the description and pinned comment below. This will give you a direct path to start creating your own forms and exams. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.